What's V equals IR? V equals voltage. I equals current. R equals resistance. Voltage. Now let's take one example. Consider two jars which are kept on different level. So, flow of liquid from B to A, or A to B. So correct answer is A to B. Because liquid flows from high level to low level point, or from high pressure to low pressure area. Similarly, voltage also flows from high point to low point due to difference between the voltage. So it's also called the potential voltage difference. Now let's see what's current. Current is a flow of electrical charge carriers, usually electrons or electron-deficient atoms.
Due to the potential voltage difference, electrons start flowing from low point to high point and currents start flowing from high point to low point.
While to understand concept of current, take the same example of two jars which are kept on different level. So, we assume this liquid is the current, and difference between level of liquid is the potential voltage difference. Now let's see what's resistance. It's important components in the electronics world. It protect electronic device from excess of current. So, resistance is the opposition of flow of electric current in an electrical circuit.
While here we can see, we assume as peak of mountain as resistance. A guy who are on bike and try to climbing, let's say it's current. So, as much as peak is high, a guy find difficult to reach other side. Similarly, as much as resistance, current find difficult to travel on other side of terminal.
Now let's assume over previous example of two jar. Here we can see, between these two jar, has connected to each other by pipe. From figure number 1 and figure number 2, size of width of pipe is different. So amount of flow of liquid is dependent upon width of pipe. Therefore we can assume the size of width of pipe is equal to the resistance. An amount of liquid, we assume as current. So, dependent upon the value of resistance, amount of current is flowing in the circuit. Now, let's come back again on concept V equals IR.
Ohm's law. A law stating that electric current is proportional to voltage and inversely proportional to resistance. So we can say this: if voltage increase, then current will increase, and if resistance increase, then current will reduce. SI units. SI units is International System of Units. SI units is measurement of electronics parameters such as current, voltage, resistance, capacitor, inductor, etc. SI unit of current is A or ampere. SI unit of voltage is V or volts. SI unit of resistance is ohm.
Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new updates. Any suggestion for improvement, please comment, and thanks a lot for watching this video.